Day after MK Stalin's meeting with Vaiko, DMK chief says he is ready to meet MDMK chief Vaiko. Now, DMK chief also says that Vaiko is not his enemy and that he is my friend, and that if there is a new alliance, DMK's General Council will decide. Shabir is joining me for more on the story. Now, Shabir, of course, new permutations and combinations coming up in Tamil Nadu, courtesy an anti-Jaya front.
Well, exactly. The DMK, after Jayalalitha's conviction in the disproportionate assets case, has been trying to build a strong alliance in Tamil Nadu to counter the AIADMK in the 2016 polls. In the first step, they have started sending feelers to other like-minded political parties. And yesterday, the first indication that other parties are also willing to move towards the DMK. So that is what the indication yesterday we got when we saw Vaiko, MDMK chief Vaiko meeting MK Stalin at a wedding event of PMK chief family. And today, when asked about, the DMK chief clearly says that he is willing to meet MDMK chief Vaiko, and he also says that MDMK chief Vaiko is not his enemy, but he is his long-time friend. And the DMK chief has welcomed this particular move by saying that if a new alliance emerges in Tamil Nadu, then probably he'll be very happy. And the DMK is now trying to create a larger front against the AIADMK so that they can counter the AIADMK in the 2016 elections, and particularly on the disproportionate assets case. Back to you.
And Shabir, it was Stalin actually who met Vaiko yesterday, and today Karunanidhi himself is hinting towards a possible alliance. Perhaps this is taking it a step further, and we are maybe looking forward to an official announcement soon, is it?
Well, as of now, there are no indications from Vaiko. Vaiko has clearly said that this is nothing but this meeting with MK Stalin is based on political discipline. And on the other hand, Vaiko has been very non-committal as far as this particular meeting is concerned. Yesterday, also after meeting MK Stalin, he said that this was nothing but a courtesy call. But on the other hand, sources within the MDMK clearly do tell us that he is extremely unhappy with the centre. He is unhappy with the centre over the Sri Lankan Tamils issue, and hence he is trying to express his displeasure by meeting the DMK leaders. On the other hand, the BJP local leadership has no contact with MDMK chief Vaiko, and he was not even invited for the NDA's Tea Party.
So while Vaiko might have his own agenda, we are getting some strong feelers from the DMK itself. Let's just listen into what Karunanidhi had to say on this meeting.
இன்னும் மேலும் பலர் இப்ப பாமக உடைய வீட்டு திருமணத்துக்கு நீங்க போறீங்க, அவங்க எல்லாம் இந்த கூட்டணிக்கு வந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்கள வரவேற்பீங்களா? ஒரு புதிய அணியை சேர்க்கணும்ன்ற முடிவா இருக்கீங்களா?
புதிய அணி உருவானா அந்த அணிக்கு திமுக எனக்கு பொறுப்பு
சார், நேற்று திமுக பொருளாளர் வந்து வைகோ அவர்களை சந்திச்சிருக்காரு. அவர் உங்களை சந்திக்க விருப்பப்பட்டால் நீங்கள் சந்திப்பீர்களா?
அந்த